Ways to save battery on your MacBook. So here are some ways to save battery on a MacBook and make it last longer without needing a charger. So let's get started. The first one is to enable your low power mode. All you have to do is open the or tap on the Apple menu icon at the top left corner of your screen, and or drop down menu will appear, and from there simply tap on the system settings or system preferences according to your macOS version. Then tap on the battery option available in the left hand side panel. Once you tap on the battery, you can see low power mode option available. Simply select it and you can tap on the always button available there. It is great for daily use, especially on macOS Monterey or later. It reduces background activity and performance slightly to save energy. Now, the other method is to simply tap on the displays button available at the left hand side panel, and once you tap on the displays, you will get to see some brightness option available there. Your screen is one of the biggest battery drains, so make sure to dim your screen brightness. All you have to do is drag the brightness slider down, or you can also tap on the auto brightness option available there. If it is toggled off, then toggle on the switch. And that is it. Also, the next method to save your battery is to tap on the general button available in the left hand side panel and tap on the software update. So basically, keeping your macOS updated often brings newer updates which includes power efficiency and improvements. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.